What does Tesla's expansion into India mean for the global auto industry? This question has been on the minds of many since early 2021, when whispers of Tesla's plans for India first began to circulate. The significance of this expansion cannot be overstated. With a rising demand for electric vehicles and a potential market that is nothing short of vast, India has become a prime focus for Tesla. As the year rolled on, these rumors transformed into reality, with Tesla confirming its intentions to establish its presence in India. This was more than a mere business decision, it was a strategic move, a calculated step into a promising future. But what steps led to the opening of the first factory? Let's delve into this fascinating journey. The journey to Tesla's first factory in India wasn't straightforward. The process was a complex one, starting with intense negotiations with the Indian government. Tesla had to navigate through intricate regulations and policies, securing necessary permits and licenses. This phase was not without its challenges, but Tesla's relentless efforts paid off, paving the way for the next step. Then came the land acquisition. Identifying the right location was crucial, not just for logistical purposes, but also for accessibility to a skilled workforce and robust infrastructure. The chosen site, after much deliberation, was a sprawling expanse of land that promised to meet Tesla's ambitious manufacturing plans. The construction phase was an engineering marvel in itself. Building a factory from scratch is no small feat, and Tesla's commitment to sustainability and innovation was evident in every aspect of the design. However, this phase was not without its share of hurdles. Infrastructure issues cropped up, testing the team's problem-solving skills to the limit. Simultaneously, Tesla had to gear up for the local competition. The Indian auto industry is a fiercely competitive space, with well-established players already dominating the electric vehicle market. Tesla had to strategize carefully to carve out a niche for itself. Despite the hurdles, Tesla successfully opened its first factory in India. But what does this mean for the company and the country? The opening of Tesla's first factory in India marks a significant milestone for the company. This venture is set to revolutionize India's economy and auto industry. With the creation of thousands of jobs and technology transfer, the factory will bolster the country's industrial growth. The promotion of electric vehicles is also expected to make monumental strides, aligning with India's sustainability goals. On the global front, Tesla's expansion into one of the world's fastest-growing economies will considerably enhance its market share and growth. As Tesla's innovative electric cars become more accessible to the Indian market, it further solidifies the company's position as a global leader in electric vehicle technology. Tesla's factory in India undoubtedly signifies a new era in the electric vehicle industry, and the world is keenly watching this unfold.